Hello, I'm Kelly Carpenter. I'm an undergraduate at MSU Texas, and I'm majoring in math and education. I'm currently conducting research on developing understanding through cognitive conflict in pre-service teachers. I'm looking to see if and how exposing pre-service teachers to tasks that invoke cognitive conflict will help them to differentiate their lessons once they are in the classroom. This video is insight into what articles I am using for preliminary research and how I found them. Here's a list of my current sources. The Role of Uncertainty in Mathematical Tasks for Prospective Elementary Teachers, The Way Out of Cognitive Conflict, a planning toolkit for teachers, Developing Conceptual Understanding Through Cognitive Conflict and Discussion in Mathematics and Science Education, Development Through Dissonance, a longitudinal investigation of changes in teachers' educational beliefs, and Seizing the Opportunity to Create Uncertainty in Learning Mathematics. This is a fairly recent topic in the educational community. My oldest source is from 2005, and the newest was published this year. In my search, I realized that there is not a lot of information on this topic. So how did I find these articles? My mentors were a big help and started me with a few articles. To find more information, I searched the library database here at MSU. Some of the keywords I used to find the articles were cognitive conflict, dissonance, uncertainty, and pre-service teachers. As I mentioned, information was scarce, so I had to choose my words wisely. Now we're going to take a closer look at one of the articles. I chose to spotlight Development Through Dissonance, a longitudinal investigation of changes in teachers' educational beliefs. This article is important to me and my research because it gave the best background knowledge on cognitive conflict. In order to do this research, I need to understand cognitive conflict inside and out. This article provided that deep understanding. It is about a 9-year study that followed 4 teachers from their training program through the first 6 years in the classroom. When a person begins training to become a teacher, they already have a set of beliefs and how to run their classroom. As stated in this article, teachers' beliefs about teaching and learning are constructed over a lifetime of experiences in classrooms. So those beliefs begin to change when teachers realize that what they thought would work doesn't work. This study used a Likert skill survey along with interviews periodically during the 9 years. The author claims that the best data came from the interviews. Through my research, I will be looking at ways to introduce that conflict and beliefs in order to give teachers that better understanding before they enter the classroom. Thank you for watching this overview of my research sources.